In today's video, we're going to look into which AI coding assistance is better, whether it's Claude, Copilot, or Cursor. So as you can see, we have here three tabs. So of course, choosing the right AI coding assistance depend on your specific needs, such as the depth of integration, model capabilities, and workflow presence. So let's compare as an example Cursor, Copilot, and Cloud. Of course, Copilot, there's the Microsoft one, and there's even like GitHub Copilots. For example, so if you have GitHub Plus somewhere, you can even use their Copilots. Totally up to you to choose whatever you want. I guess Copilot is better because that's the one I use the most for me. So of course, we can compare them using various like points, starting by the strength. As an example, Cloud, it has a lot of models. The latest one is Cloud 3.7 Sonnet model, known for its hybrid reasoning capabilities, excelling in complex problem solving, especially in math and coding. Offers, of course, a lot of stuff that you can go through. For Cursor as an example, it's first of all an application that you can download in your PC, whether it's a Mac, whether it's Windows, whether it's Linux, and it will help you creating your apps or projects. As an example, if you're doing any projects or doing any apps, it will help you make that code turn into a reality. For Copilot, an example specifically GitHub Copilot, you will be able to use everything. So ChatGPT, Cloud, every AI model, you'll be able to use it in Google, in Copilot, not Google. So for limitations, normally for Cloud and like Cursor, it has some limitations, and also of course Copilot. All of them has limitations if you're on the free plan, but if you're on the better plan, as example, you can see the plans and price and example for each one of them, you will not have any limitations. So they are equal in this point specifically. For the strength, as we said before, Cloud is better as coding in math, and Cursor is better on creating some apps and projects, and Copilot, as I said, you can use any AI model, so it's very good for all. Cursor also an example, it's basically like Visual Studio, if you know it, VS, and you'll be able to create, as we said, apps with it. Of course, if you want, or if you're used to Visual Studio, Cursor will be the greater app for you or the best app for you. You can also, as an example, integrate VS Code with your Copilot. As we said, if you have a premium account in GitHub, you'll be able to integrate it with VS Code and you'll be able to use all the models. That's why I use Copilot and that's why I like Copilots for me the most. So Cursor is basically based or for developers seeking an AI first code editor with deep integration and advanced features. For Cloud, it's basically advanced for reasoning and multi-step tasks and deep code-based understanding for math and code. And for Copilot, as we said, it's just seamless integration with existing development environments and real-time code suggestions that will let you use all the models. So, an example, on the Pro plan, you will get unlimited agents model in chats with ChatGPT 4.0, unlimited code compilations, access to code review Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, which is the latest version in Cloud, as you can see, and O1 in Cloud and etc. And 6 times more premium requests to free latest or to use latest models than free with the option to buy more. So all the popular models, you will find them in Copilot. So if you need like a summary, Copilot or Cloud, let's start by Cloud. If you need just some advanced reasoning capabilities and comfortable integrating AI tools into your workflow. Cursor as example, if you're looking for a dedicated AI-powered like development environment with deep integration and advanced features. And for Copilot, if you prefer seamless integration into your existing IDE and value real-time code suggestions to boost productivity and use all the models. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.